Imagine a tiny RV, but with a bathroom larger than you've ever seen. This is the only mini RV in the market that comes with one of the biggest bathroom setups and sleeping accommodation for more than 6 people. Plus, there is one more special feature that makes the interior so much larger. Let's take a look.
Motorhome luxury.
Starting at a price range of $260,000, the PROTEC Q18 looks as amazing as it can get right from the very first glance. And here's an interesting fact. It's the first mini RV in the world that comes with 2 full-body slide-outs that expand the interior space massively. The length of the PROTEC Q18 is just around 26 feet, which makes it a much smaller RV than the rest of slide-out RVs in the market that claim to offer such immense storage. But the width is even more interesting. With the slide-outs closed, the width of this super luxurious mini RV is 7.64 feet. However, as soon as both slide-outs are out, it expands the interior space to 11.48 feet, which gives you a space gain of 55%. Isn't that fantastic? Now let's see what all this camper van has on the outside. On the front, it brings a bold design with an overhead cabin space structure that looks massive. The overhead structure comes equipped with small LED lights that complement the main headlamps during nighttime, offering you better visibility. The bonnet looks quite plain and resembles the van chassis on which this whole structure is built. To be precise, the Q18 is built upon the Iveco daily chassis, and there haven't been many changes done, which maintains its original appeal. 2 grille sections are separated by the splitter, and the bumper carries the fog lights along with parking sensors. On the passenger's side, there's the door, window, lock, and side steps to get you conveniently inside the cab. There's also the side mirror that works as a camera. Above the passenger's door is a window on the overhead structure which looks so cool. But what is hidden there? We'll get to know that once we step inside. For now, let's keep moving. Up next is going to the main entry door of the PROTEC Q18, and it's just filled with features and specs. We'll get to it in detail as we are about to get inside the van. But here's an interesting thing. Just as we pass across the cabin section, the slide-outs are active, and they go completely to the rear, meaning these are not small, tiny slide-outs that merely extend a bit of space on the inside. These are complete interior slide-outs that massively expand to give you a complete home-like experience as you get inside. A large window is located right on the side of the main entry door and can be opened outward. It has hinges that allow you to keep it open at different angles. On its left, there is another smaller window. But here comes a very interesting part. Just on the bottom corner of the slide-out beneath the kitchen space, there is a very interesting hose that works as the drain pipe for the kitchen, which leads the water from the kitchen to the tank to be drained. This is a heated pipe, and it comes out with the slide-out and can also retract. The passenger side also has a large automatic awning setup that comes out with the press of a button and provides you with calming shade for your breakfast, lunch, or dinner plans. The PROTEC Q18 has done its job in exterior storage as well. Beneath the slide-out, right beside the rear tire, there is a massive lockable storage compartment that unlocks to give you a perfect storage option for your skateboards, surfboards, and other similar items. That's only the start. On the slide-out itself, you get a massive garage compartment with cupboards in which you can store different sorts of travel essentials, from your hiking shoes to mechanical tools, board game setups, and so much more. The water heating system is installed here as well, and there's also an option to install an alternative heating system if you desire. The back of this mini RV is equally exciting, coming with an amazing rear design, which somewhat feels like tech-dominated or robotic. The rear has all the things needed in a full-fledged motorhome of regular size. Taillights, rear camera, a window that's connected to the bathroom, which is again a massive surprise for the customers, and another rear storage compartment to keep your tools and stuff as well. One special feature is the rear tow hookup on the rear bumper here, which comes with a towing capacity of 7,716 pounds. Coming to the driver's side now, there is another garage storage here, and it's even bigger. The garage has been divided into two sections by a sliding partition, each spacious enough to carry a regular bicycle easily enough. However, if you've got pets and want to let them rest there while you camp, that's not a bad idea either. There's also a door-like structure made inside the compartment that creates a direct passage between the doghouse and the interior of the RV, so it won't be like you're locking your door on the outside. It's super cool. Down below, once again, there is another lockable storage compartment just like the one on the passenger side, and it has the same storage capacity as well, ensuring you have immense storage capacity. Moving ahead, there is one more similar storage compartment that contains the electrical system of this mini RV. It includes a 200 ampere-hour lithium battery, which can either be charged with the direct power cord or by installing solar panels on the roof. Yes, that's possible too. The PROTEC Q18 comes with 76 gallons of fresh water tank storage and 68.5 gallons of wastewater tank storage, giving you the opportunity to go on longer trips without worrying about water supply and waste disposal. Let's now come back to the main entry as we talked and see how it is one of the best entry doors you'll be getting in this segment. First, the width of this entry door is wide enough to let an adult easily go in and out of the RV, which is a sort of problem in many mini RVs. Plus, it comes with a secondary that has a window as a fly screen, keeping you safe from insects and mosquitoes. But here's the best part. It comes with powered assistive steps that extend with a simple press of a button located just beside the entry. These steps can either be in a dual setup or a triple setup, offering amazing flexibility for different passengers. Isn't it great? Let's now quickly climb these steps and get inside one of the best interior setups of a mini RV you've ever seen. Stepping inside the PROTEC Q18, it feels like you've stepped into a premium suite that speaks of luxury, comfort, and richness. The magnificent dinette booth is right in front of the main entry door. But before we get to that, take a look at these buttons that control the extension and retraction of the side steps. Up above, you also get a touch screen panel that gives you the control over the slide-outs. The panel comes with different options. You can either extend both the slide-outs together or individually. Similarly, you can either pull one slide out inside or both of them at the same time as well. This configuration gives you immense flexibility over the space you'll be inside the mini RV. Even when both the slide-outs are completely withdrawn, there is plenty of space inside, allowing you to seamlessly navigate the camper and use the kitchen, bathroom, and bedroom without any trouble. Apart from the appliances and setups in the inside, another thing that'll catch your attention here is the height space. The total height of the PROTEC Q18 is 10.9 feet. This gives enough standing space for most of the customers out there. Coming to the luxurious dinette booth, it's a U-shaped sofa setup with a table in the center that can easily seat 6 people. However, this setup becomes a 4-person seating dinette booth once you retract the slide-outs, which is still quite good. And the best part? You can even remove or fold down the table and transform this whole area into a wonderful sleeping space within minutes. On the upper wall of the RV, you have a mounted smart TV that can be tilted as per your preference and fulfill all your entertainment needs. Before we go to the kitchen area, let's also take a look at the overhead bunk bed, which is one of the largest in the segment. This is a double-person bunk bed with comfortable mattresses, lighting, and windows to ensure you get a complete bedroom experience and not some claustrophobic one. To get you more conveniently up, there is also a sliding ladder installed that makes things much easier. Let's now shift our focus to the kitchen, which almost feels like an apartment kitchen in terms of space and features. Even when the slide-outs are closed, there is enough space between the dinette booth and the kitchen countertop, which allows you to easily navigate the space and cook your meals comfortably. The kitchen includes a very neat sink with a faucet, a 3-burner cooktop, and plenty of storage cabinets below in which you can easily store your plates, cups, and other kitchen essentials. There's also a large 46-gallon refrigerator with a separate freezer compartment that takes all the worry from your mind regarding food storage and drinks. Moving ahead, the toilet and the shower sections are separate, facing each other. In the shower, you get a very beautiful wash basin cabinet with a worktop wash basin and a large storage cabinet to store your toiletries. Moving past, there is the shower section that has a transparent glass door to enhance the aesthetics even further. Going on the opposite side, you have the toilette cassette, a small sink, and one wall cabinet to keep important items. The lighting once again in both the shower as well as the toilet room is fantastic and elegant. This is one of the biggest shower bathroom setups you'll ever get in a mini RV of this class. However, in case you don't have the bathroom as your priority, there's another option that provides you with more sleeping options instead. The PROTEC Q18 comes with two floor plans, the Classic and the Vario. In the Classic, which is the one we are touring today, there is a single double bed bedroom with a separate bathroom and shower space. In the Vario, there is one single section that includes both the bathroom and shower space, but you get two separate bedrooms, offering you more sleeping accommodations. While getting this amazing mini RV, you can opt for one of these floor plans that suits you more practically. So, which floor plan are you going to have? Let us know in the comments. Well, it's now time to see the real magic, the bedroom. The Q18 Classic and Classic Plus comes with a single double bed option that can easily sleep two adults and can even manage a kid along as well. When the slide-outs are open, there is even a large step in the middle of the bed and the cabinet in front of it to give you more convenient access to the bed, as well as provide you with some additional storage. Apart from this cabinet, there is another wall unit just above the bed that works as your closet as well. So, combining all the sleeping spaces now, the PROTEC Q18 can manage sleeping accommodation of up to 6 to 7 people, which means it becomes your whole family-friendly mini RV, allowing you to explore some amazing places of nature without leaving anyone behind. But in order to explore, you'll have to drive this vehicle, right? And that's where the amazing driver's cabin comes into play. There is a direct pass-through section from the camper to the cabin, so you won't have to get outside the vehicle to access the cabin, which makes things much more convenient. The PROTEC Q18 comes with a very elegant driver cabin that is adorned with two captain chairs that are three-way adjustable and can be heated as well. This mini RV comes with a 207 horsepower engine and plenty of amazing driving features that'll make driving so easy and convenient for you. These features include cruise control, electric steering system, ABS, and central locking system, which ensures complete safety and security. Do all these features justify the massive $260,000 price tag on the PROTEC Q18? If you really like small campers, you should definitely watch this video. Click on it, and we will see you soon at a new luxury motorhome.